Hello everyone and welcome to AngryFly, and today in this YouTube video I will be telling you guys what is love, the biggest secret. So now let's get started with this video. You know what, I always wondered what love is. It seemed to be a mystery for me before this video. Also many times I asked a lot of people to explain me what love is. Everyone had different theories about what love is. Actually for everyone love was different. Even I accepted that maybe love is just a myth or something like that. I mean, I still can't explain what I thought love was. But as I was just searching for a new topic for my video, I finally found my answer as to what love is. And it was all of a sudden. And it was in the triangular theory of love by Robert Sternberg. He's an American psychologist. Now it's time for me to reveal the secret as to what is love. So what is love? First, let me apologize to you. I'm really sorry that I'm going to tell you what love is. I feel like I'm revealing a trick I should not. I feel like a magician revealing a secret behind his trick. You may think that love is magical, mystical, and miraculous, a feeling that words can't explain, but in few seconds you will know that it's none of those things. So here's the secret behind the most powerful human emotion. Two people are in love when they share three things. That is intimacy, passion, and commitment. Intimacy is emotional and intellectual bond. Passion is sexual attraction, and commitment means the decision to stay together and plan for long term. Sounds clinical, doesn't it? But it is important to know. Also, what is important to know here is that every human relationship can be defined in terms of triangle. Yes, you heard it right. Every human relationship. Since I'm talking about the triangular theory today, so let me continue with this math theme for a moment. I just told you that love is a combination of intimacy, passion, and commitment. And every human relationship can be defined in terms of this triangle. Well, now I will tell you how. The theory tells us about 8 types of love. In this video, I will not go over each and every form in detail, but rather give you guys an insight so that you know what that really is. So if you are interested, you can read out. I have provided a link in the description. So now I will start with these 8 types of love. Okay, so where there is intimacy alone, it's friendship. Where there is passion alone, it's infatuation or friends with benefit kind of thing. Where there is commitment alone, it's empty love. The best example for this would be an arranged marriage, where the spouse relationship may begin as empty love as it just consists of commitment and nothing else. Okay, so where there is intimacy plus passion minus commitment, it's romantic love, such as, experienced during an affair. And where there is intimacy plus commitment minus passion, here you are best friends. Example, companionate love. This type of love is observed in long-term marriage where passion is no longer present, but where a deep affection and commitment remains. The love ideally shared between family members is form of a companionate love. A love between close friends is also an example of companionate love. Next is passion plus commitment minus intimacy. This is silly and pointless. An example for this will be love at first sight. And absence of any of these means non-love, and presence of all of these means love. So that is exactly what love is according to the triangular theory. Also, I think that this theory is a very valid one. I'm sorry if it offends you, but this is my own personal opinion. So now it's your turn. Do share your thoughts about this theory. Do you agree with this theory or not? If not, what do you think love is? Comment down below in the comment section. So that's it for this video guys. Hope this video helped you and you liked this video. And if you liked this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that red subscribe button. As on this channel we make videos related to relationship, psychology and educational videos. And if you're interested in any of these, consider subscribing.